Replacing windows for your existing home can be costly. So before you take on this huge task, you want to talk to the experts at Argo Glass and Windows. And here to tell us more is Stan from Argo Glass and Windows. Stan, fixing damaged windows instead of replacing them can mean huge savings for the homeowner.
Yeah, we offer a hassle-free solution for all your window and door needs. Whether it's foggy glass, broken paints, rotten wood, or worn-out gear, we can fix it all, keeping the same look of your windows and of course saving your budget. With Argo Glass and Windows, you will have windows that operate and look almost the same as the new ones without spending a fortune.
So what are some of the problems you commonly see with older windows?
Replacing the insulated glass units, fixing worn-out gear, or repairing soggy or rotten wood, this is only a few variety of the options that we offer. As we put it, repair it first, replace it worst.
But if replacement is the best option, you can do that as well.
Oh yeah, we have a huge variety of replacement windows and doors for you to choose from. Having a one-stop repair replacement company will make your home improvement as easy as ever. Enjoy your stress-free experience with our professional team, guiding you from free on-site estimate to the last brush stroke.
Thanks for the great information, Stan. And if you need advice about your old worn-out windows, give Argo Glass and Windows a call today or visit them online at argowindowrepair.com.